So when we look at this question, we notice that there is a chart. So this is a chart interpretation question, and there's a very specific way that we recommend approaching these kinds of questions, so we only focus on the relevant information and get to our correct answer. So we're first going to go through how to approach these questions, and then we will look at the question itself. So when we have a question like this, most of the information we are given is irrelevant to finding the correct answer to this question. So we recommend first looking at the title of the chart, if there is one. Then we recommend reading the question and trying to understand it and what it's asking for. Then we recommend examining the chart and looking for the relevant information to solve the question, and lastly, answering the question itself. So first we'll look at the title of the chart here, which is towards the top of our screen. So pets in U.S. households classified by type. Then we're going to go ahead and read the question itself. So 68% of U.S. households, over 80 million families, own a pet. The chart below depicts the distribution of the different types of pets owned by American families. Express as a percentage how many more dogs are kept as pets in comparison to fish. So expressed as a percentage, how many more dogs are kept as pets in comparison to fish. So now we're going to look at our chart and look for the relevant information. So we have dogs and we have fish. And again, these are written as percentages, and we are also looking for an answer expressed as a percentage. So we're trying to understand how many more dogs there are than fish. So if we have, say, fish as our 100% or as our baseline, we understand that there are 4 times as many. So because 36 divided by 9 is 4. So 4 times as many dogs as fish. So when we multiply this by 4, we get 400. So that's 400%. Now that's how many dogs there are, but because we want to understand how many more dogs there are than fish, we're going to go ahead and subtract 400%, so minus 100%, and that's how we get to 300%, which is going to be our correct answer for this question. Now, another method of going about this is to take 36 divided by 9, which equals 4, and then multiplying that by 100, and then doing the same process as we just did. So 400%, then minus our 100% for our fish, and getting the same 300% answer. We recommend doing whichever method helps you get to the correct answer accurately and most quickly. So this is how we recommend going through these questions. Again, it's really important to get the correct data, and if you are finding that you need to do a lot more mathematical calculating, it is most likely that you made a mistake somewhere, and so it's really important to stay organized here and clear in what you need in order to get the correct answer to this type of question.